I want to explain a simple tool called artboard tool. From beginning, the artboard actually is the area that you can design inside it and you can create any shape. From the beginning, if you go to the file and new, if you choose anything, for example, Full HD or any preset from here, we have create an artboard. Let's create an artboard from this size. And as you can see, this is an artboard. This is an artboard. If you go to the artboard tool, you can create any artboard. With a move tool, you can select the artboard. Deselect everything, and then you can design inside your artboard. If you select it, you can simply change the size of the artboard here. You can see in the transform panel, you can see it. You can rotate it. It's like a shape. Holding Alt and click and drag, you can create another artboard. You can double click on name and you can rename it to the artboard 2. It's very simple. For changing the color at the background, if you're annoying your eye, you can go to the file, edit, setting, user interface, artboard background gray. I prefer this. You can change it if you want. And then you can design inside your artboard. Very simple. Or you can design another artboard. And as you can see, it automatically make a group of any artboard, and you can design your own things in any artboard. And then you can come here and in the file at the export, you can export which artboard do you want. Artboard number 1, artboard number 2. It's very simple. Okay, you can organize your work with if you have lots of work to do in your one document, you can actually make a category of any of your work. So this is benefit of artboard. For example, you have a circle, another circle here. Then you can, as you can see, this is an limit area for your work. You can simply drag and drop the other object to the other artboard. These are shape, you can export it. This is artboard. Or in artboard tool, you can simply insert artboard. It insert exactly the same size artboard, or you can click and drag, create any artboard that you want. This is a space area that you can, or you can select all of them. And for example, here, as you can see, you can change the artboard size. The object are not changed inside that. Nice. Holding shift. Nice. These are artboards. You can change. These are inside of artboard, and just the artboard changing the area of your work. But your design inside is they are not changing. They are stable. Okay, another thing that you want, you can click and drag the object outside, and for example, if you want, you can convert this shape to the artboard and work in this. Going to the layer and here convert object to the artboard, or artboard to the object, and this is our artboard. Okay, with a different color. Interesting. As you can see, you can change the artboard color. You can select it, and also you can select this is act like a shape. You can change it. You can, this is an artboard area, you can insert it. And here you can change the color inside your artboard. If you are annoying your art here, you can change the color of your artboard. For artboard number 1, you can change it also. So this is very simple. The artboard is an area for working. And then, for example, I explain it later, when you export to other Adobe software, you can define the artboards and change the logo. I explain it in my Substance 2 software, that when you import a PDF file that has an artboard, it defines the artboard and you can change it. So that's it.
Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.